Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English Version Math, Exercise 4.3. Resolve into factors. Question number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Almost all these can be solved using formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square, we know a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Let us start with number 9. 3x minus 75x cubed. 3x minus 75x cubed. Now, if we take 3x common, 3x, then what remains? 3x into 1 is 3x minus 25x squared is 3 into 75. 3 into 25 means 75. X into x squared means x cubed. So value hasn't changed. We just changed the form, equals to. Now we can write it 3x into 1 square minus 5x whole square. Why we write in this form? So that we can apply this formula, a square minus b square. Now it is looking like a square minus b square. So equals to 3x into 1 plus 5x into 1 minus 5x, because it is a plus b into a minus b. Here a was 1 and b was 5x. So answer is 3x into 1 plus 5x into 1 minus 5x. Number 10. 4x square minus y square. 4x square minus y square, we can write it 2x whole square minus y square, and we can straightway apply this formula, a plus b, a minus b, where 2x is a and y is b. 2x plus y into 2x minus y. And that is the answer. Answer 2x plus y into 2x minus y. Number 11. 3ay square minus 48a. 3ay square minus 48a equals to. What we can do here? We can take a 3a, actually 3a we can take out. So 3a, if we take common, so y, this is y square minus 16 equals to 3a into y square minus 4 square. 16 is 4 square. Now we can apply this formula, a square minus b square equals to 3a into y plus 4 into y minus 4. This is the answer. 3a into y plus 4 into y minus 4. Into number 12. A square minus twice ab plus b square. a square minus twice ab plus b square minus p square equals to, we know a minus b whole square equals to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So can we write, instead of this we can write a minus b whole square, yes, minus p square. Now this is looking like a square minus b square form equals to a, now a plus b, a minus b. Here a is a minus b and b means p. So a minus b plus p into a minus b minus p, and that's the answer. Number 13, 16y square minus a square minus 6a minus 9. Okay, 16y square minus a square minus 6a minus 9. What we can do here? We can, this is already in the form 16y square means 4y whole square. So we can straightway write 4y whole square, and the rest of it we can put in a bracket and take minus sign common. So a square plus 6a plus 9 equals to 4y whole square minus a square plus 2, here should be a square plus 2ab, means 2 into a into 3 is equals to 6a, yes, plus 3 square equals to 4y whole square minus, we can write it a minus a plus 3 whole square. So a plus 3 whole square. Now this is looking like a square minus b square. So we can straightway apply the formula 4y plus, if this is a and this is b, what we should write? 4y plus a plus 3. This is first factor, and the other factor 4y minus a plus 3. So equals to 4y plus a plus 3. 4y plus a plus 3. Four y, and this one 4y minus a, 4y minus a, and minus 3, and that should be the answer. So we are left with only 14. So here now we solve number 14. 8a plus ap cube, 8a plus ap cube. If we take a common, equals to a into 8 plus p cube, and we know 8 is 2 cube, equals to a into 2 cube plus p cube. Now we know we know a formula, that is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Can we apply that formula? to resolve it to factors? Yes, equals to a into, here a cube means 2 cube and b cube means p cube. So a into a plus b means 2 plus b, and a square means 2 square minus ab means 2p plus b square means plus p square, equals to a into 2 plus p into 4 minus 2p plus p square. Now you can write the answer. Answer a into 2 plus p into 4 minus 2p plus p square. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.